student logs into the LMS using their unique student login and selects the required exercise from the library. In this instance, we will be using tripping out of the hole as an assistant driller. The LMS screen will give the student instructions, starting with how to log in to the drilling HMIs. The student will be instructed on how to set up the Hydroracker or PRS. The Hydroracker on this particular rig has a unique startup procedure that the AD must learn. The student will then be instructed on how to set up the Hydrotong spin time and preset the torque. And lastly, setting up the fingerboard row selection for the Hydroracker auto sequence. In this exercise, we will be using rows 21 to 25. All the drill floor equipment is fully configurable for a variety of drill floor operations. As you can see, the LMS will not move on to the next phase until the correct values or functions are made. The next phase is using the keypads to turn on the required equipment. On this model, the Hydroracker is controlled from the left and the Hydrotong from the right. The OTR has the ability to operate as either the driller or the assistant driller in an LMS robotic sequence, allowing the student to train as the opposite role. Here you see the robotic driller being activated. Watch as the robotic driller descends with the TDX and latches onto the pipe. The driller has raised the first stand out of the hole. The student will now operate the racker and the Hydrotong and break out and rack back the stand. You will see once the racker has secured the pipe that the robotic driller unlatches the elevators, retracts the block and starts descending to latch on the next stand. As the pipe handling model links up seamlessly to the downhole model, we will also get accurate pipe displacement readings via the trip tank. Along with running exercises via the LMS library, the OTR also has complete functionality in instructor mode with the same capabilities as its bigger brother, the Drill Sim 6000. The system supports the ability to fully customize exercises to meet your operational needs, and has the capability to have custom digital twins of your rig fleet to fully maximize the training potential for optimizing crew competency and efficiency for safe, effective, trouble-free operations.